what? Are you saying egg? Egg? Where's your eggs at? Where's your egg? Where's your blue egg? Blue? Where's your blue egg? Is it right there? Right there? No,
That one
that's
purple?
purple.
What about a green one? Is this one green? Did you drink all that water? It's like no water left in his cup. I'm gonna use these for his octopus skin then if that is on. Or will this stain it?
Are you getting all wet? You making a mess? Hi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.